Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to earn money online from Google, 7 steps. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it again. We are going to talk about how to earn money online from Google in 7 steps. The first step is to go to Muncheye.com and pick a product to promote. Muncheye.com is a website that will give you all different kinds of product review or products that are coming out, launches that are coming out, and the dates that they're coming out. So what happens when somebody is going to buy a product? First of all, there's lots of affiliates to promote the product. But second, if somebody doesn't buy that product or they just want to do some research on it, they're going to go and type the product name and review in order to see what the product's about and make a decision on whether they want to buy it or not. So that's where we're going to get ahead of the traffic and be able to create content, and people will find your review. So how you're going to do that is, again, first of all, you're going to pick a product to promote. So we're going to go here and just scroll down. You can see all the launches here, big launches, all launches. And you're going to, of course, pick something that hasn't launched yet. So for example, if we come down here, this actually isn't too far off, but because today is the 6th, but you want to pick something that's a little further off. But I wanted to give you this as an example. Then you're going to go to the JV page and you're going to contact the owner. You're going to scroll down to the bottom, find who the product owner is. That's the second step, and you're going to tell them you want to promote their product and ask if they can give you a product review page. So that way you can do a review on it. You have all the information there. You can put it together, make it look really nice. You're going to go to jvzoo.com and create an account, because that's where you're going to get your affiliate link. So you can see here, if you scroll down, you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. Here's the product owner, Mike from Maine, and here's his contact information. And if you click on Get Affiliate Links, it's going to take you to jvzoo.com, and that's a free site that you can sign up for, and then it'll just have a link there that asks to get permission to promote this product, and it can be approved in at least like a day or so. Then again, you're going to get your affiliate link. You're going to create a WordPress blog, because a WordPress blog is going to be able to be ranked on Google. So if somebody goes to Google and searches, for example, this product name here. Let's go back here. What's the product name? Right here, VIDYS review. If they type that in, then you're going to be able to come up on the first page of Google. Okay, so you want to create a WordPress blog and also get a domain name around that keyword, so that your blog is going to have, in order to go to your blog, they will go through that domain name. And you can, if you don't know how to set up a WordPress blog, you can go to Fiverr.com to have someone set it up. You can find people there that will set one up for. Just type in create a WordPress blog. I saw there was some for $5, some for $10. Some are a little bit more expensive, but like this one here is $10. They can set it up for you if you don't know how to do that, or you can just Google and go to YouTube, and someone will have instructions on how to set up a WordPress blog. It's completely free. Okay, so that's number 5. And then you want to write a review on that product. And from the product review page, make it look really nice and post it on your blog. And then at the bottom, you're going to have your affiliate link. I'm going to give you an example of that. Actually, before we do that, let me just tell you the 7th step is to get backlinks every 2 to 3 days. Now, you don't want to do it every day, because, or do a bunch in one day, because it's going to look not good to Google that you have all these backlinks like really fast. You want to space it out every 2 to 3 days. And the place that I go to is Conquer. I think that's how you pronounce it. KONKER.io. And you're going to get backlinks here. Now, if you've had your PayPal account shut down like I have, you're not going to be able to purchase from here, unfortunately. But you could get someone else to do it for you if they have a PayPal account. That's the only way currently that you can pay on this site. So that could be a problem for you, but you can work around it by, like I said, getting someone to get backlinks for you. And so after you do these 7 steps, what's going to happen is you're going to start to rank in Google. And when somebody searches that product review name, they're going to find your review, they're going to click on your link, and they're going to buy from you. Okay, so let me show you an example of something that I did quite a few months ago. It was a product coming out. It's actually a book from Anik Singal, Escape. And so I did a product review several weeks before this product came out. And you can see lots of other people did the same thing as well. But if you come down here, this is just an example of what you might do. This is actually someone's blog, but you can just do one page on a blog, and the whole blog is around that product name. But you can see that they did a review on it from the product review page, just telling about what is the book going to be about. It's nothing real fancy, but you can put some images on there, whatever you want to do just to make it look interesting. This one doesn't have many images, but you can see down at the very bottom here, are you ready to get your free Escape book? Click here to have it shipped to your door, and then this is their affiliate link. Okay, so it's not difficult. And then the other thing that will rank is videos. So you can do videos around that same topic. You can see up here, right here, here's my video here. So I ranked pretty well on that one. So that's basically all it is. It's getting in front of product launches because there's not much competition because it hasn't come out yet. So you're going to be able to rank pretty well on the first page of Google by doing these 7 steps. It's really not that difficult. And you can make a lot of money doing this. So this is a really great, effective way to earn money online from Google. You can do the same thing with Clickbank products. And the way that you can do that is buy a Clickbank product, and you're going to get on the product owner's email list. And as soon as products come out, they're going to start promoting it. And that's a great way. I've done that as well, to doing product reviews from Clickbank. So you can get in front of the traffic as soon as it comes out. It won't be before it comes out, but as soon as it comes out, you can do a product review, you can do a blog post, you can do a video about it, and you'll be able to get traffic and get sales that way. So if you guys found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.